I 10 bre ljudi, Branko ovdje, dobrodošli u novu epizodu na kanalu. Danas započinjemo još jedan serijal. Danas započinjemo novi serijal The Walking Dead. Ali ne znam baš koliko me čujete, pošto slušalice me zezaju. I ono što me zeza izgleda i epizoda ova. Evo ga, ne znam da li me čujete baš najbolje. Ono što me zezaju slušalice. A ovo znate, ako ste gledali ono što sam snimao sezonu 1. A meni ispadaju stalno slušalice. Ovo je sve što se desilo u sezoni 1. Vi znate možda Gmeti. Imam slušalice i stalno mi ispadaju iz ušiju. Majke mi ću zalepim slušalice trakom zovu.
Omid, you can't be serious.
I am.
We are not doing that.
Why not?
Because.
Come on, Krista. What's wrong with Omid?
We're not calling our baby Omid. One of you is enough. Clementine, a little help here?
Omid the second.
No.
Omid Jr.
No.
You have to admit it has a ring to it.
What if it's a girl?
Then we name her Krista.
But I'm Krista. I don't want to call her Krista. That's just confusing.
So name her Genevieve. I don't care.
How can you not care?
Onda ljudi neću vam govoriti šta ću da pritisnem.
You're not taking this seriously.
I take everything seriously.
Zato što mi ne ide baš najbolje engleski.
Keep talking, and you'll be sleeping in the rain tonight. Remember that time in Barstow?
Vegas weekend. Why don't you, get cleaned up in the girls' room, Clem?
I hope the sink works in there.
I wouldn't count on it. Just be careful and make sure to keep track of your things. We'll be right next door.
Okay. Hello?
To ću na primjer.
Oh, gross.
Izgleda da mi je drugačije malo ono, nego iz prve
Please,
sezone.
water. Better. Oh, shoot.
Ovo je, mislim da je otišlo. Onda prvi. Majke ti otišlo u zadnji tamo.
Ew.
Joj, neko je. Koji je? O,
I see you. Get out of there. You're not fooling me. Come on out now.
That's my gun.
It's mine now.
Give it back.
Why should I? Get out here.
ko je sad pa ova?
You got anything on you? Come on, let's see.
Well, what's your name?
My name? Why do you care?
I was just wondering.
I'm serious. What else you got?
That's it.
Don't lie to me. I'll pop you. Give me what you got. I'm not screwing around. Come on.
I don't have anything.
Give me that hat.
No.
Where'd you get it? I asked you a question.
My dad gave it to me.
Just give it to me. Junk, junk, junk. Look at all this junk. Shit, shit, and more shit. Why you ain't got nothing good? Not like the last people I got. They had all kinds of good shit. That was a good catch. You ain't nothing good. You just a little fish. You gonna cry, little fish? This your daddy? What a bozo.
O ne.
I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to.
No tako i treba.
I'm sorry, Scott. Homie, homie. Homie, can you hear me? Homie.
Walking Dead. To je bila kao neka uvodna scena, nešto tako. Šestnaest mjeseci kasnije.
Krista, talk to me.
To burn. It's more smoke than flame. At this rate, we'll be eating this for breakfast.
It's okay. I can wait.
All we do is wait. And for what? You should be doing this, not me. Tending a fire so you can cook and stay warm. It's something you have to be able to do, Clementine. Otherwise...
We can't build a big fire at night. It attracts too much attention. It's too dangerous when we're out here by ourselves.
We need to eat, don't we? We can't survive without food.
I'm freezing.
You think this is bad? Wait till we get up to Wellington. Then talk to me about cold. If we make it. We still have a couple hard months ahead of us. This rain will turn to sleet, then ice, then snow. It won't be easy.
Is it safe there?
Safer than here because of the cold, or so they say. We just need to keep moving north.
I miss Lee.
I'm sure you do. I'm gonna go look for more wood. You just keep the fire lit.
Izvinite što me na kratko niste čuli. Odkonjuzi upaljač. Ako možemo da se šetamo. Šta je muzika? srca.
This'll never cook. This might burn.
Dodamo malo se ne ugasi. Opet me nećete čuti na kratko. I epizode traju po 20 minuta. Tako da... opet me nećete čuti.
Give us the truth and you don't get hurt. You with me? Where's the rest of your group?
I'm by myself.
Bullshit! She's lying. Cut the shit, lady.
It's just me.
Come on, guys! What the fuck?
Krista, run!
Hey!
Kamenom direkt u glavu. Oh.
I'm out here, girl. I'm not fucking around. Shit! Get the fuck over here! God damn it!
Ok, ovo je... o, zombije.
Oh, whoa! Oh, Jesus, are you fucking kidding me?
Leave me
Stop fucking running! Quit squirming! Ah! Fuck! Ow! Ow! Let go, you little bitch! Jesus Christ! Ah! Ah! Come out of there! Ah! Ow! Fuck!
O ne. Hvati se.
Are you fucking kidding me? Come on, girl. Kid, you are on my last fucking nerve. Stop fucking kicking. Oh, no! Shit!
Nećeš. Aj ja, fuj. Beži bre. Ono. Sad ćemo sad. Aj u 20 i 10 minuta. 20 minuta. 20 minuta traju videi. A malo da prekoračimo, vidimo bar još ovaj deo kast scene.
Hello?
Ništa ljudi, tu ćemo stati s epizodom, vidimo se u sljedećoj. Tako da, onda ljudi bit će još jedan serijal na kanalu, ne brinite se ništa, tako. I to je to od ove epizode, nadam se da ste me čuli bar nešto. I... vidimo se.